Hello everyone, welcome back to episode 5 of 1033-1 ARC Hailstorms FTC tutorial series. My name is Bhavya and today I'm going to be teaching you how to mirror parts and features in Onshape. This is a very simple yet useful tool that can save you a lot of time when making designs in the future. Let's get right into it. So basically what the mirror feature does is it takes any feature, part, or sketch and it instantly flips a perfect copy across any flat surface or a plane. So there's two main types of mirroring. There's feature mirror and part mirror. So first we're going to practice doing feature mirror. We're going to go up to the mirror button and we're going to select feature mirror. What feature mirror does is instead of mirroring this whole part, it's going to go ahead and mirror a certain piece that you may have on it, like a hole or an extruded piece. So right now what we're going to try and do is take this hole and mirror it onto this side. So we've selected feature mirror, and then next we're going to select what feature we want to mirror, and that's going to be our hole. So we're going to click it, and then for the mirror plane, since we want to mirror it over here, we're going to select this plane, and you can see it's been created here. Now for the mirror plane, you can either use the top, front, or right plane, or you can create your own depending on how you want to make your design. If I want to go ahead and change the dimension, we can change it to 1 centimeter. And then once I hit the green check mark, you can see that both sides have moved in. Another thing we can do with our feature mirror is mirror directly from our sketch. So now that we're in our sketch, let's say we want to create this hole on this side. So what we're going to do is we're going to click the mirror tool, and you're going to see that it's asking for a mirror line rather than a mirror plane. So in this situation, what we're going to do is we're going to create a construction line going across right here so that it mirrors down here symmetrically. So to create a construction line, you're going to click construction, which is this button right here, and then you're going to go and select line, and if you hover along this, you'll see a yellow box pops up, and that means you're selecting the midpoint of that line. So we're going to select the midpoint of both lines, and now we have our construction line. So now we can go back in and click the mirror button, select our mirror line, which is the one we just created, and then select the entity, which is the hole. And you can see that it's been mirrored on this side. The second tool in mirroring is the part mirror. This is if you want to mirror a whole part that you've created. So here I've created this random piece, and we are going to try and mirror it. So we're going to go back and select mirror, and then this time we're going to make sure we have part mirror selected. And then we're going to select the entity to mirror, which is this piece. And for the mirror plane, we're going to select this back piece of the part. It's important to note that when you're mirroring, you can use faces of the part that you already have made or faces of other pieces. So we're going to click the green check mark, and there you have it, it's mirrored. Now you guys know how to mirror parts and features in Onshape. We hope you guys enjoyed this video, and feel free to leave any questions you have in the comments. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you on our next episode of the FTC tutorial series. Bye!